Hello, maayong adlaw. I will be discussing to you solving linear equations and inequalities. Pero dili lang ko magdugay og tackle di ani because I will be focusing on the discussion on solving different word problems. So as a review, when we say equation, it expresses the equality of two mathematical expressions. These expressions can be either numerical or algebraic. For example, we have 8 plus 4 equals 12. We have 4x minus 2 equals 20. X squared plus 4 equals 3x minus 2. In other words, basta makakita na tag symbol nga equality, kana siya, automatically that is an equation. Linear equation in one variable. So meaning this equation involves only one variable. So it can be written in this form, ax plus b equals c, where a, b, and c are real numbers with a is not equal to 0. And in this value, in this form, we can also find the value of the variable. For example, 3x plus 5 equals 0. So here, atong a is 3, and atong b is 5, ang atong c kay 0. And actually, we can solve for the value of x, no? So applying the properties of equality, we will have 3x plus 5 plus negative 5 because you wanted to make this 0 para ang mabilin kay 3x na lang. That will be equal to 0 kung unsa imong gi-add diri, mo po i-add nimo din sa pikas. So that will be plus negative 5. So we can cancel out this one. So ang mabilin na lang kay 3x equals this. If you're going to multiply plus and negative, that will become negative 5. So we want to cancel out 3 kay ang atong goal is to find the value of x. So it's either we will multiply both sides by 1/3 para ma-cancel out nato siya, or just simply divide it directly by 3. So therefore, the value of our x is negative 5 over 3. And you can check this by substituting this value here kung sakto ba yun ang atong answer. Alright. So anyway, let's proceed to inequality. Obviously, when we say inequality, this is a statement that two numbers are not equal. So for example, negative 5 is less than negative 2. So as you can see in this number, mas gamay yun og value sa negative 5 compare kay negative 2. Take note, in an integer, basta negative wala atong mga numbers, gamay na kaayog value ang naay bigger number compared sa smaller number. We have here, 3 is greater than 0. So as you can see in our number line, naa sa unahan, naa sa positive padulong si 3 compared sa 0. And take note of the inequality symbols. We have less than, fewer than. We also have greater than, more than, exceeds. We also have less than or equal to. So, nana siya bar din sa ubos in the less than, and no more than, and then at most. No more than, dili mo lapas. No? Same na sila o pasabot. We also have greater than or equal to, and it is also the same when we say no less than or at least. So, this is the symbol pod kung kana nga mga keywords ang present sa ato ang problem. So, it's very important to decode these words into this mathematical symbol para ma-represent nato properly ang ato ang problem. Okay. So, let us graph this inequality. So, x is greater than or equal to 2. So, naputay dapat bantayan kung mag-graph ta og mga in-an, labi na kung ang symbol niya is nag-involve og kani, no? Natay mga solid ug naaputay mga open. So, for example, we have here negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and then 2. So, let's have 3. The value is pointed at 2, so magkuan ta dire. Put a circle. So, atong sabton kung x is greater than or equal to 2, apil ba si 2 or dili? So, in this case, since there is or equal to, meaning si 2, apil siya, and then, we'll use different color. Apil si 2, and then, ang appeal ang all values that is greater than 2, which is padulong ta sa right in our number line. So this is the graph of x is greater than or equal to 2. We will put a solid dot in number 2 because number 2 is included. Now, let's have another example. So this is an inequality already. X minus 8 is greater than negative 5. So, the same ragid ang ato ang pamaagi gihapon ani pag-solve in solving the equality. So, you have x minus 8. We want to retain the x only. Plus na nato siya sa opposite ni negative 8 and that is positive 8. Greater than negative 5 plus 8 because we added 8 there. So, mag-add po ta og 8 din he. Okay? So, we will cancel out negative plus positive na the same number that's automatically 0. So, x is greater than negative 5 plus 8. Recall the rules in adding integers with unlike signs. We will subtract it and then copy the sign of the bigger number. So, 8 minus 5 is 3 and then mas dako man si 8 which is positive. So, our answer is positive 3. So, x is greater than 3. So, if we're going to graph the solution, let us say 0, 1, 2, 3. My question is, appeal ba si 3 sa ato ang i-shade? When we say x is greater than 3, is 3 included? The answer is no. So, we will just have the open, the hollow dot, and then shade it greater than 3. So, padung ta sa iyahang right. So, this is the graph of your x is greater than 3. Diman anak ninyo. So, now po tayo another example. 1/2 x is less than negative 2. So, what are we going to do? Pwede na ito ni-multiply og 2 both sides to eliminate the denominator. So, multiply lang ta og 2, then multiply po nato siya og 2. Our aim is to cancel out the denominator para dili na ta mag-deal og fractions because I know that you hate the fractions. Alright. So that's 1. So 1 times 1x, so that will be x na lang nabilin, which is less than negative 2 times 2, so that's negative 4. Okay. So kung ato ni siyang i-graph, let's say negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1. Is negative 4 included or not? So, since less than man siya, so, hollow na siya, open na siya, and going ta sa left because it is less than. Ang niriti man and basta less than, going to the left. Basta more than, it's going to the right. Now, another example. We have negative 9x is greater than or equal to 45. So, negative 9x. So, pwede ragid nato siya i-divide directly by negative 9. By negative 9. Cancel out. So, x. And then, 45 divided by negative 9. The answer is negative 5. Now, here's the rule. Whenever we multiply or divide a negative number in the inequality, we have to reverse the symbol. So, since kani kay greater than or equal to man siya, basta man divide na nato siya or ma-multiply na nato siya og negative number, this will become less than or equal to negative 5. So, let us graph the solution. You have negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, let's just say 0. Take note, we have here negative 5, tapos less than man siya, so obviously, padulong gid siya sa left. But naa may giingon nga less than or equal, meaning ang atong 5 is solid na siya. Okay? So, that is now the solution set for this. Now, let's proceed to this one. So, you have 6x, so we'll combine 6x minus 2x is greater than negative 8 plus 5. So I hope that you are following here. I'm utilizing the shortcut that whenever ibalhin nato ni siya o sa pikas na side, it will become negative. And if ibalhin po nato si 5 sa pikas, himo siyang positive. But actually, we are applying the properties of numbers, no? So 6x minus 2x, that will be 4x greater than negative 3. So x is, divide both sides by 4. X is greater than negative 3/4. So, kamo nalay bahala mag-graph ana sa number line. Okay? Meanwhile, on the other side, okay, so we have 1/2 times the quantity of 3x minus 1 less than or equal to 2/5 times the quantity of 2x plus 11. So, for us to eliminate the fraction, better that we are going to multiply the entire inequality with a number nga makakancel kang 2 o kang 5. No? So, we are looking at the greatest common factor. Or the least common multiple rather. So, we have 10. Diba? So, multiply nato siya 10. I-multiply pod nato ni siya o 10. So, 10 times 1/2, cancel. Hindi mo siyang 1. Habilin kay 5. So, what's left is 5 times the quantity of 3x minus 1 less than or equal to, so can you see 10 and 5 can be cancelled. So this is 1 and this is 2. Mabilin, 2 times 2, mahimo siyang 4 times 2x plus 11. So wala pa na ito ihilabtan, no, ang nasa parentheses. Now, applying a distributive property. So 5, distribute lang natin siya. So mahimo siyang 15x minus 5 less than or equal to, we have 8x plus, kanina pod, 44. So, applying the same. So, you have, combine na ito ang mga similar terms. So, 15x, mo-minus na niya siya nigbalhin sa 8x. Less than or equal to, we have 44 plus 5. So, 15 minus 8x is 7x. Less than or equal to 44 plus 5 is 49. So, therefore, x is less than or equal to 7. So, I will leave the graphing to you. So, I hope that you have familiar already the process of solving linear equalities and inequalities in one variable. Because in the next video, we're going to discuss the word problems involving linear equations and inequalities. So, if you have any questions, just comment down below. And thank you for watching.